Hey, what's going on, guys? Here I have a Preeti Steel's grinder mixer. In case if it's not starting, like when you press this one, it should work like this. But in case if it doesn't work, what might be the problem is you didn't fit this one properly. Like this one right here. Like if you turn this one, it's gonna lock. Like it will be loose in when you put. Then once you put, you have to turn this one, so it's gonna lock. Currently it's locked, so I don't have. That's why it's working. Like, let me turn this first. Okay. I have to hold it. So for example, I can let it loose as well. So I have to remove my hand from the phone to do that. So now I loosed it. Now if I just put it and then start, it's not going to start because I didn't lock it. So now I had to just turn this one. Now I locked it, and then it's going to start. Okay. If you locked it and turn on, and if it's still not starting, then there might be another problem. That is under this mixer. Under this mixer, you will see. Here we go. So right here, there's a black thing. You have to just push it inside. Okay, like if it comes out, it doesn't work. So you have to just push it inside and then start. It will work. And that's it for this video. See you guys on my next video.